You wake up one day, try to log into your WordPress site, and nothing. The admin panel is inaccessible and the front end won't load. Instead, you see an error message. There has been a critical error on this website. Please check your site admin panel. This can happen for several reasons, but don't panic. In this tutorial, I will show you how to diagnose and fix the issue step by step. If WordPress displays an error message with a specific file path, it usually points to the source of the issue. Often, this caused by a plugin or theme conflict. But sometimes, you only see a generic message with no details. If that happens, we will assume it's a plugin issue and disable the faulty plugin manually. Since you can't access the WordPress admin dashboard, you will need to disable the plugin manually using your hosting control panel. For that, log into your hosting provider's control panel, locate the File Manager section, and navigate to your website's root directory, typically which is inside the public HTML folder. Inside public HTML, open the WP content folder, then go to plugins. Here, you will see a list of all installed plugins. If you already know which plugin is causing the issue, do the following. Find the folder of the plugin mentioned in the error message. Right-click and rename it. This forces WordPress to deactivate the plugin automatically. Now refresh your website. If the site loads without errors, congratulations, you have successfully disabled the faulty plugin and fixed the issue. If there is no specific error message, don't worry. You can deactivate all plugins at once by renaming the entire plugins folder. Once you rename it, refresh your website. If the site works, the issue was caused by a plugin.